Are you trying to decide between Gimp and Krita? You are not alone. Both are popular tools for digital art, but they serve different needs. Today, we'll compare these two powerful programs. Let's see what they offer and how they stack up against each other. Both GIMP and Krita are great for creating images. They allow you to draw, paint, and edit photos. Many artists use them for their projects, but they have different strengths. GIMP is known for photo editing. It has a lot of features for manipulating images. You can use layers, filters, and various tools to enhance your photos. It's like a free version of Photoshop, but with a bit of learning curve. On the other hand, Krita is designed mainly for digital painting. It provides brushes and tools that mimic traditional art. Artists love its user friendly interface and customizable brushes. It's perfect for illustrations and concept art. Now, let's look at the main differences. GIMP focuses on photo editing, while Krita shines in painting. If you need to edit photos, GIMP is the way to go. But if you want to create illustrations, Krita is better suited for that. When it comes to features, both tools have a lot to offer. GIMP has advanced editing options, while Krita has a variety of brushes and textures. Krita also supports animation, which GIMP does not. In terms of pricing, both are free to use, so you can try them without spending any money. In the end, if you are into photo editing, choose GIMP. If you are looking to create beautiful paintings, go for Krita. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.